Gabby, it's 2 o'clock. You're not supposed to be doing Christmas shopping today?
Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. Y'all already look, y'all again Vlogmas this end because I was on the verge of not doing a thing, but I was like, you know what? I like to go back and look to see how, how I spent certain times in my life and thing and I was going through on certain days and all them good stuff. So I was like, let's do it for the memories, sis. Let's do it for the memories. So today is obviously a cleaning day. As you would have seen from the title, so basically that's what this whole vlog gonna be, me cleaning. So they might get a little bored, but that's okay. It's a Christmas week for it to bop all the head to one thing, so let's go, you just have to get it clean on before you do everything else. So that's what I'll be doing today. So yeah, let's jump right into this video. So the first place I'm going to be doing is the study. So I have the study here and all that good stuff. So I'll be inside of here first and then I will do the kitchen and then the living room. Or should I do the bedroom? And I'll do okay, maybe I'll do this, but I know doing the study first for sure because I'll have a lot of other stuff to do. Then I'll do the kitchen. Then after that I feel I'll do the bedroom before I come out here. Yeah. Bedroom, and then I'll do the living room, and then I'll do the bathroom. I'll do the bathroom for last because coming to the bathroom, I just get real tired. So yeah, this gonna be a whole day type of thing where we go until the night, but that's okay. That's alright. Better get this thing done because sis is trying to do it in one day. Yes, I know. I'm trying to do it in one day, so let's see if it can be done. So let me just get all my stuffies. I have my soca parang blasting in the background. You all won't hear it because YouTube and copyright and all that good stuff. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. done. Oh my goodness. All in my back hurting me. Ooh, child, but it is night. So, yes, but we finished. We are finished. House is clean, spick and span. Everywhere wiped down, dust down. Everything. So I'm going to bed and then go and take a lie down because this is tired. My back is hurting me. So it was clean 5 hours straight. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow in another Vlogmas video. Bye.